If China were to come into Taiwan, what happens to that $293 billion? Does China get it? Does the US freeze it? Does Taiwan use it as leverage? Here's where it gets interesting. Those bonds could create what's called a mutually assured economic destruction. Taiwan can't afford to lose America's protection, but also dollars. And America can't afford for those bonds to become a geopolitical football. Think about it. If China decides to enter Taiwan and the US doesn't respond, what might Taiwan do with those bonds? They could potentially dump them on the market in retaliation. If you won't do whatever we want, we'll crash your bond market. That's a $293 billion middle finger to the US. But it's even more complex than that. If the US does decide to defend Taiwan and things go badly, let's say the US military suffers significant losses, the conflict drags on, which conflicts with the United States tend to do, Taiwan would need to fund its own military. How? By potentially selling those treasury bonds to raise cash for weapons, ammunition, and wartime spending. So the US might be stuck. Give those things to Taiwan or risk those bonds becoming a problem either way. Taiwan may have created financial mutually assured destruction, but with bonds instead of nukes. And they did it quietly, methodically, and over decades. Pretty brilliant, right?